In today's video, we're gonna test this NEXGEN interior ceramic. We're gonna see how to apply this one for the interior on the car. Let's go. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the interior ceramic and the spray nozzle. So let's start testing this on the car. This is what I'm gonna use: microfiber towel and the wax, ceramic, interior ceramic wax. Okay. And before we apply the ceramic wax for the interior, this is a wax to protect the interior of your car from dirt, dust and water, okay? But it's the same thing as your car paint. You don't put wax on a dirty car, no. First clean the interior and then you put the wax. My car is clean, as you can see. It's very nice and clean. Okay, so remember, clean your interior, wipe it off, wipe it with a multi-purpose soap and cleaner, clean everything, and then apply the wax. It's very simple to apply this one, and let's see how to apply. Okay, we're gonna start with the door panel, and with the microfiber we're gonna spray. Oh, this one has an on and off button. Put it in the on. Okay, so with the microfiber we're gonna spray 3 times on the microfiber like this. 1, 2, 3, and let's apply it on the door. Okay, let's do it again. And I can see it has a little bit of shine, not that much. It still looks matte, but it has a shiny, like a satin finish. And it smells good. It smells like coconut. I love it. I love the smell. Yeah, it has a nice smell. I like it. Wow, and I can see the difference now. It's not that glossy, but it has a little bit of shine. And it feels, yeah, I can feel the wax. It's nice. So this will keep the dirt and the dust away from your car, and it will last longer, clean. Also, it protects the door panel from the UV rays, okay? So that's a great thing. Now let's do it on the dashboard. You can see. So the good thing is not that shiny. I don't know if you have seen other waxes that you put on the, like Emerald, when you put it on this one, it's like super shiny. No, this one still looks matte. But it has a little bit of shine, but not crazy shine. I love that. Look at that. Yes. So now let's do this center. Let me disconnect the camera for now. Oh yeah, this is great. It's gonna protect my car very good. I need this. My car has a lot of leather, this one, so I want this to protect that. So that you can put this on plastics, the panels, the door panel, the dashboard, the steering wheel, everywhere. So now let's do the other side of the dashboard. I can see the difference. It looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna apply this in here too. Oh. On the trim. This trim. And I think I'm gonna put it on the mats, but this one, I'm gonna apply this one like this. Yeah. Ooh, man, making them look like new. This one I'm gonna apply directly because it's easier. Oh man, this looks like new, like brand new. Oh, that looks nice, man. Looks amazing. I don't know if this is okay to put on leather, but I'm gonna apply a little bit because I don't want the dust to stick to my seats. Just a little bit. Oof. Just a little bit. The dashboard looks amazing. Look at the seat, amazing. The mat looks great. Everything looks good. Okay guys, this is the ceramic interior, the interior ceramic for the car from NEXGEN. It looks great, but remember, before you use this, clean the car, okay? And this one, it will keep your interior clean for a longer time. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.